Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig with her family. Let's start drawing. First I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her nose and her face. I draw her smiling mouth and her cheek under her eyes. Draw her 2 ears. Then I draw her body, her tail, her hands. And draw her 2 legs like this. Next to her, I draw George Pig, starting with his eyes. Then I draw his nose and his face like this. Now I draw his body. Then I draw George's hands, his tail, and his 2 legs. Now I'm going to draw Daddy Pig, starting with his eyes. He is wearing glasses. Then I draw his nose and his face. I draw his beard and his 2 ears. Then I draw his body with his stomach and his hands. His tail. Draw his leg. Next to him, I draw Mommy Pig, starting with Mommy Pig's eyes. Then I draw her nose, her smiling mouth, and her 2 ears. I continue to draw her body. Draw her 2 hands. Her leg. And her tail. Finally, I draw balloons and a gift. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use yellow to paint these balloons. Sky blue. And pink. Then I use green to paint Daddy Pig's suit. I color Peppa's dress red. Dark blue. I use this orange marker to paint Mommy Pig's dress. I color a gift with yellow and red. Then I use this pink color to paint their skin. I love the Peppa Pig movie so much. My daughter and I watch it every day. And you? Great job! If you like this video, please Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.